Throughout the past 10 weeks, I was given the opportunity to work with Changi Airport to design small products from T2's salvage materials. Ranging from wood to carpet, each of these materials carry their own purpose and significance. There is always something more than meets the eye. Using strategies like juxtaposition and rearranging made me wonder, what other things can the material turn into and how can I achieve that? Are there any methods that I'm familiar with that I can try on such an unfamiliar material? From the first 6 weeks of ideations, I learned that I naturally think of forms and production methods while not quite hitting the meaning side which links the material to the product. I grew more aware of the stories and attachment to these materials and began asking myself, what was their role? How did that affect the Changi experience? To me, Changi is linked to spending time with the people that I love, getting on new adventures be it locally or overseas, making memories. As such, I wanted to portray comfort and warmth that I feel into my product, which led me to the carpet as the perfect material for me to venture into. This carpet design is uniquely T2, taking close to a year just for the design to be approved for production. Made up of 80% wool and 20% nylon yarns, they are designed to reduce noise, resist wear, provide support, and insulation. All in all, creating a lush and comforting environment to mitigate the stress of catching the next flight. With that, I was interested in trying to make use of their patterns and seeing how I can change it in a way that still kept its identity. And at the same time, I was interested in how I can juxtapose different materials with the carpet, playing with textures and utility, which ends up paving the way to my home sandals. My aim for these sandals was simple, to bring the comfort of the Changi experience back home. But how can I achieve that with such thick and stiff material? I explored various shapes and methods of connections to see what works best. I ended up working with a baggage belt too for the sole as a form of additional support and to keep it sturdy. From then on, it was all about getting to know the material better, making the production method more efficient, maximizing comfort, and taking care of the final details like finishing to give the product a luxurious look. With that, I introduce to you the luxury home sandals. Designed to be unisex, these home sandals comes in 2 sizes, S and M, to fit the range of up to shoe size UK 8.5. Welcoming you with love as you transit from the hectic outside world to the comfort of your own home.